Just about to wrap up our first print on the FLSun V400. Of course, it's a Benchy. And so far, it looks great. I know I printed it with a brim. Damn Cura. But 99%, it's about to finish. Of course, it's a Benchy on the V400 from FLSun. Not too bad for the first go. I didn't change any of the profiles for the filament. I just kind of, ran with it, if you know what I mean. But so far, check it out. And it looks like it should be done any second now. What do you think? Is it going to finish before I hit end? Said 100. It's still printing now. A little tugboat that could. There you go. It's a Benchy. Not too bad for a first go. It's official. Our first print on the V400 is done. Looks pretty darn nice. The brim came off a little messed up because I didn't wait for it to cool. I just kind of ripped it off the bed. A little bit of stringing. Not even stringing, more like the fuzz. But again, I never played with the profiles at all. I just kind of hit print. And this is using Polymakers Polyterra Black, charcoal black. And yeah, not too shabby. So we're going to do some more prints. But that's it for the night.